Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In various fields, there has been a growing trend in the use of Creative Commons (CC) content and open source products. Likewise, the widespread use of open access articles in referencing and citing research work in the scientific and research domains is also on the rise. However, obtaining a research paper directly relevant to the research being conducted proves to be quite challenging. The creation of a new search engine called GetTheResearch.org by Impact Story, a nonprofit organization, aims to streamline the process of searching for and downloading open-access peer-reviewed research articles. In this video, we will explore the process of accessing and downloading millions of peer-reviewed research papers for free through GetTheResearch.org. What is GetTheResearch.org? GetTheResearch.org serves as a search engine powered by artificial intelligence (AI) that allows researchers and scientists to search for and comprehend scientific articles. The engine was created as a component of the Unpaywall project, which is a repository containing 23,329,737 free scholarly open access (OA) articles from over 50,000 publishers and repositories, facilitating the discovery, monitoring, and utilization of these resources. What is Impact Story? Impact Story, a nonprofit organization, is committed to promoting open, accessible, and reusable scholarly research. It develops and backs free tools such as Unpaywall, Impact Story Profiles, and DepSci. GetTheResearch.com. If you're looking to find and download research papers for free, you can do so in several ways. Here are some options. 1. Check out GetTheResearch and look up your area of interest. This website grants you access to peer-reviewed research articles. For instance, you could attempt searching for terms such as vaccines and autism. What are the safety aspects of cycling? 2. Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a powerful tool for finding scholarly articles. Simply navigate to Google Scholar, type in your search query, and explore the results. You'll often find links to full-text versions of papers. 3. Unpaywall. Unpaywall is an open database with millions of free scholarly articles. It harvests content from various publishers and repositories. You can use the Unpaywall website or browser extension to discover open access papers. 4. DOAJ. Directory of Open Access Journals. Visit DOAJ and input your keywords in the search field. Then, choose the research paper you want to download and click on the Full Text option. How to use GetTheResearch. It is easy to search and download the scientific open access article with GetTheResearch. Some of the key features and procedure to download the articles are explained here. 1. Open GetTheResearch. First, go to the page, GetTheResearch. Search page. 2. Enter your keyword. Enter your research keyword in the search bar. The AI-powered search engine will help you to select a more relevant keyword. 3. Select Open Access. Once you entered your keyword, you have the option to select Open Access Only toggle button to get only open access articles as a search result. 4. Highlight the terms. Another toggle button named Highlight Terms helps you to get the meaning of top keywords from Wikipedia without navigating from the search page. 5. Highlighted keyword and meaning. Definition of your search keyword will appear in the right side top corner to avoid the ambiguity of similar concepts. 6. New terms and meaning. Understand the meanings of the new term in the scientific research articles by doing a mouse over on the highlighted terms. 7. Download full article. Open the more relevant article you search for. Also download and read the full text by clicking the full article button at bottom of the page. 8. Get the full article PDF. Once click the full article button, you will be redirected into respective journal page, then you can save the full research article as a PDF file. 9. Browse thousands of related articles like this. You can browse through pagination to get thousands of free scientific open access research articles related to your research by using Get the Research. I hope this video assists you in discovering and comprehending numerous peer-reviewed research papers for free through the use of an AI-powered search engine called Get the Research. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.